In front of me is Xiaomi 13T Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can edit password saved in Google Passwords Autofill. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down right away to access Google section. Then click on Autofill, Autofill with Google, and Google Password Manager. Finally, just click on one of your passwords that you wish to edit, and to access it, enter your current login method. If you don't have any, you need to set it up. Now click on Edit button next to the delayed one and change wherever you wish to. When you're done, choose Save at the top right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, my password has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!